We will show you magic, ha? We will show Rian a magic.
Yes, guys.
I will put the water here, ha?
Yes.
Then it will come out somewhere. Wait.
Yes.
Wait. Hold your hand, ha? It will flow.
Huh? Mod! Mod! Mod!
Wait lang.
Now!
Yun nga, Rian, ano pang nangyari sa ano mo?
Saan?
Ito, oh. Para may bukol. Oh, it's okay. More pa?
Yes!
Oh.
You inom it all.
Hindi, go hold ka kay Papa para magkamo kay Papa ng water. No, yun, it's them.
Come up to me. Because I hold you, then the water will go here. Then...
One more, please.
Naka-play.
One more! One more! Please subscribe one more!
One more? Too much naman eh. Sige, basta mag-hold ka. Wait, ayusin ko muna yung ano. Ito oh. Kanino bang necklace to? Yung isa. Kaninong necklace to isa?
Huh?
Rian, pag nag-ano ka ha,
Baknak?
yung necklace, kanino galing? Okay, last na. Last na ha.
Opo.
Ito, hold ka. Para mag-flow yung water kay Papa.
Okay. Papa. Let's watch it and then to it again.
It's a magic one.